How to get rid of an ingrown toenails quickly and easily. If you've ever had an ingrown toenail, you know the pain that it can cause. Not only that, but it's annoying because we use our toes in some way or another, as part of our usual daily movement, and this use and constant knocking seems to aggravate the nail even more. It makes it more noticeable and seems to last forever. An ingrown toenail, or onychocryptosis, may occur at any age and is one of the mostly common toenail problems. There are multiple reasons why an ingrown toenail develops, including improper nail cutting technique, tight-fitting footwear, trauma, anatomical. 1. Soak or wash the foot. Soaking the foot in warm, soapy water can be very beneficial in helping keep the area clean and free of bacteria. Soak the foot in warm water 3 to 4 times per day. You can add epsom salt to the water to soften the skin of the affected area, which could make it easier to draw out the toenail from the skin. 2. Wash with Castile soap. If soaking doesn't work well with your schedule, you can try washing the foot and affected area twice a day with soap and water. You may want to consider Castile soap due to its natural and pure ingredients. Make sure to keep the foot clean and dry. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Wash. Apple cider vinegar can help as a natural treatment for an ingrown toenail. You can try adding a 1/4 cup of vinegar to warm water for a foot soak or direct application of apple cider vinegar that has been diluted with purified water. While applying diluted apple cider vinegar to a wound may stave off infection, it may not cure an existing bacterial infection. However, it has antibacterial characteristics that can help keep the area clean as it heals. 4. Dental floss under the nail. Placing cotton wisps or dental floss under the ingrown nail edge can help by shifting the nail to grow in the correct direction instead of down into the skin. Try to lift up the corner of the nail that's digging into the skin. Take a very small piece of cotton or gauze and roll it between the fingers to form a small roll or wick. Place it between the nail and the skin. Please hit on like if you want more health tips and prescription go on you want to and share with your friends.